Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me get this to follow you.
Oh, yeah.
So it's got to look from behind you. So I'm going to... Okay, I guess it's good to go.
Okay.
Go ahead, guys. I'll just bring up the tail and I'll see you up there when it stops.
Okay.
You ready?
I think so. Following you, Chris.
Okay, it's on. Whoa! Woo! Come on back, guys. Turn around.
Ooh, pretty. Oh God. Hang on a sec. Shit. We're good. Oh my God. Oh.
Down there? Oh no.
Oh. Oh no.
Well, that was it.
No, we gotta find it somehow.
I've got it. Yeah.
Oh.
It's broken now. Yeah.
Oh, it broke?
Oh man.
Did it hit a branch? Shoot. Well, damn.
I'm gonna go up and find a stopping spot.
Oh. Okay. I'm too chicken. Slow and steady.
I was gonna say you have to turn tighter than that.
So it's broken? Did it hit a branch?
Huh?
Did it hit a branch?
It was trying to follow you and it was going all sorts of places. All of a sudden it just dove off that way. And kind of disappointed.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dad.
Oh, it's not your fault.
I think my kickstand is SOL.
I couldn't believe
You're-
all the bobbing and weaving.
Oh my goodness. Chris just said his kickstand's broken.
Oh no.
Yes, sir, it is.
Oh no. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh man.
What's broken on? Oh, the whole thing.
The whole thing just snapped off.
Bracket came off.
Wow.
We can just put it in my backpack.
That's fine. Well, you had enough.
Man, I guess so. Well, should we turn around, go back to the car real quick or something?
Well, let's go up to the overlook. Since you got the GoPro on.
I mean, I think it's still running. I caught all the disasters.
Hey, just check my.
Held it on there and then the kickstand. It looks like it lost a screw somewhere along the way and that part.
Well, the screw's in it, isn't it?
Oh shit. Well, I don't know what happened. Like,
Here, just put it in my backpack.
For me.
Okay, well, I'll go first then. Just follow me.
Okay.
extra exciting.
GoPro's still on. You okay, Ariel?
I think so.
Okay. Chris, I'm not watching you because I figured you're taking to it like a duck with water. So
You're making me think about buying one.
it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Huh?
Well, dang.
Yeah, what a bummer.
It was crazy too. It was just going side to side like 10 feet at a time. I was like, what is it doing? All of a sudden it just went wah, and hit a tree and dropped.
That is sad. I wonder if something came loose and it stopped being able to track properly.
Could be. Yeah.
Oh man.
Okay, I'll show you guys the humongous chair, the giant chair.
Giant chair. Ooh. Ooh. Whew. Oh, damn. Shit, oh, there it is. All sorts of things going on today. I couldn't, yeah, I had to lift the bike back up, but I'm good.
Okay, you're good?
Yeah.
Oh, we were thinking, oh, maybe you stopped to take a picture or something.
No, I fell.
Oh,
But I'm okay, I'm good.
okay. Okay, I'll show you the chair.